Happy morning, children. We are solving model question paper 1 from Navneet. Question 1A and B we have completed. Now I am solving question number 2A. This is activity based question. You have been given, AP is given to you. That 10, 15, 20 is an AP. So if it is an AP, the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So now the first question asked is you have to find D. D means common difference. So how will you find common difference? Now the box is given to you. You have to write the box. But how you are getting the answer, that you have to show. So here given AP. Now here box is given. Now I have to fill this box. So now what will I do? I will write D is equal to. Now because it is an AP, difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So this is first term T1, this is second term, and this is third term. So you can write, take difference between any two consecutive terms, T2 minus T1. You can take T3 minus T2 also you can take. It is your choice. So I have taken T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1 is, what is T2? 15. What is T1? 10. Okay. So here you will get 15 minus 10 is 5. See now, 20 minus 15 is also 5. So the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So we have got D is equal to 5. So what you will do in the exam, here box is given. But first you write the correct formula and find it out. And then D is equal to 5. That is wanted. So you can put like this box. So you will be getting D is equal to 5, here half mark. Then it's a 2 mark question. Now notice the next thing they have asked. Nth term is equal to A plus. Now they have written here formula. So now you should know the formula to find the nth term. So what is the formula? Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to, now they have asked you to find 19th term. So instead of n we have to write 19. So we will write 19th term is equal to A. A means first term. So here AP is given as 10, 15, 20. So A is the first term, that is T1. So A is 10. So you will write 10 plus N is 19 minus 1 into D we have got. D is 5. Then T19 is equal to 10 plus 19 minus 1. According to the rule, first you have to solve the bracket, though subtraction is given. So you will get 19 minus 1, 18 into 5. So you will get 19th term is equal to 10 plus, according to the rule, first multiplication and then addition. So we will get 18 5 is 90, which is equal to 100. Now where we have to show the boxes that you see here. See, D is equal to 5 will give you half mark. Then writing the formula n minus 1 into D. So here n minus 1 into D, I have to put the box like this. Then here 19 minus 1 into 5. So full this 10 plus this full thing will be the big box like this. First you solve, and then where it is needed, there you have to put the box. Now for this there is no box. For this also, final answer they want box, so you have to put here. So there are 3 boxes, 4 boxes. Half of mark you will get, and you have to show the box clearly. So I think we have completed. D we have got, nth term formula we wrote, and then substituting the values. D answer 9, n is 19, that also you should know. Then final calculation will give you half mark. Like that it is.